Assalamu alaikum and welcome to 1 to Infinity Reinforcement Club. Our today's topic is number system or the numeral system. So, what is number system actually? Like when we use English writing, then we use the alphabets. If we write the Urdu language, we use Haruf-e Tahajji. And in the same way, when we will go with the mathematics, we use numbers. So we should know that what is numeral system or the number system. Here is a definition of numeral system. A numeral system is a writing system for expressing numbers, that is in a mathematical notation for representing numbers for a given set. For example, we can say in a very simple term that it's a system of naming and representing the numbers. There are different types of numeral system as well. The first one is decimal, then binary, octal, and hexadecimal numeral systems. In maths, we are having only the decimal numeral system that we will discuss here. So here is an example, and the definition of decimal numeral system is decimal numeral system has the base 10 because it uses 10 digits from 0 to 9, and the position successive to the left of the decimal point represents units, tens, hundred, thousands, and so on. For example, we are having numbers from 0 to 9, and these are 10 numbers, and these 10 numbers shows the base 10 of the decimal numeral system. Here is an example, that is 1475. So now we have to see that these numbers are placing at which place. So 5 is placing at the unit place or the 1 place, 7 is placing at the 10th place, and 4 is placing at the 100th place, and 1 is placing at the 1000th place. Now we should know that what is the face value and what is the uh, place value. So face value shows that which number it is. For example, here is this 4. This is the face value of the 4. It is showing that I am 4. And this is now we have to see that what is the place value. So this 4 is placing at 100th place. So the place value of this 4 is 100, and the face value of this 4 is 4. In the same way, we are having our binary numeral system, and binary numeral system is a base 2 numeral system, and it consists of two digits only, and these two digits are 0 and 1. And there would be an example of it, that 110101. So we use, basically it uses in the computer language as well. So I have an example of it. I have an example of this decimal system. For example, there is a question that you have to write 1 million in digits. So how you have to write 1 million in digits? There is, you have to start with the ones. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and then 1 million. This 100,000 will be considered as your 1 lakh in other terms, and then you have to write the 1 million only. If you have to write 1 million, so what you will do, you will use this zeros everywhere. This 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0, and only you have to write 1 here in 1 million. Rest all will be zeros. And in 1 million, you will have how many zeros? You will have 6 zeros in 1 million, right? And 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs, right? And then if I ask you that you have to write down the 1 million, the number that is 1 and 10 more than 1 million. So what you will do, 1 and 10, you have to more than 1 million. So you will simply change the value of ones and tens, right? And rest of all the digits will be same. This is the case where 1 is more than 1 million, so you will write 1 only here. And in the same way, if you have 10 more than 1 million, then you will change the place of the 10 million, tens, and rest 1 million will be as it is at its place. I repeat it. अगर आपके पास आ जाता है कि if you have to increase the number that is 1 and 10 more than 1 million, तो आप सिर्फ ones की वैल्यू को चेंज करेंगे and tens की वैल्यू को चेंज करेंगे. rest of all the digits will be placed at the same way. In the same way, if you will ask by the question कि आपको इस लिखना है कि that is 100 more than 1 million, then what you will do, you will simply change the value of 100 from here, right? Now there is types of numbers. Earlier we studied that how many types of the numeral systems. Now there are the types of numbers actually. So there are different kinds of numbers I have written here and I'll explain in my next video. These are the only names of these numbers: the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and there are two types of integers: positive integers and negative integers. Then even numbers, then odd numbers, then prime numbers, composite numbers, and then you are having your prime numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and then you are having your real numbers. So till here I would like to end up my video, and I'll definitely explain these numbers in my next video and we will do the questions. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like it and have a good day.